Hi guys, it's your girl Jamie and welcome back into my YouTube channel. For today's video is gagawin ko yung everyday makeup look using pink blush. So first is naglalagay ako ng hair clip sa aking hair para hindi nakaharang yung hair natin sa ating face. Then after that is inauna ko yung eyebrow ko, then ang nilalagay ko is ang eyebrow soap ng pink blush. I'll spray a little bit of setting spray on the eyebrow soap just to activate it. Sobrang helpful ng setting spray sa ating eyebrow soap dahil mas nalilit niya yung kilay natin kapag merong setting spray. And mas napapatagal nito yung kapit ng eyebrow soap sa ating kilay. And after that, let's proceed to the blush on. I'm just gonna use this pink blush on in the shade of P01. This is my favorite blush and at the same time is eyeshadow ko na rin. Sobrang perfect nito gamitin guys dahil meron na rin siyang pa-shiny effect and sobrang nakaka-glow ng ating face. And guys, kung hindi nyo naman tatanong, yung price nito is 59 pesos lang, if I'm not mistaken, or 69 pesos ata. Sobrang mura and sobrang perfect sa mga student like me. I also put on my nose and chin to add some extra cuteness. Then, I'm just gonna curling my eyelash and proceed na rin tayo sa mascara. So, the mascara that I've been using is also brown pink flushed and sobrang ganda nito gamitin guys. Nagtatagal talaga siya sa aking eyelash and sobrang waterproof niya as in. So, I'm gonna use this matte lipstick of pink flushed. Sobrang ganda niya sa ating lips and it gives a natural look lang. And sobrang namo-moisturize nito yung aking lips even though matte yung finish niya. And guys, if i-finish ko lang yung aking look using a matte powder ng pink blush. Ito yung ginagamit ko kasi sobrang lightweight lang niya. And also guys, natatanggal niya rin yung pagiging oily ng aking face. That's why, ito yung pinakang favorite ko na matte powder. And alam nyo ba guys, kung bakit favorite ko yung pink blush? Unang-una na dun is sobrang quality ng mga product nila and guys, sobrang affordable. So, ito na yung aking final look. Guys, kayo, paano ba kayo mag-everyday makeup? Naglalagay pa ba kayo ng foundation? Or katulad ko lang kayo na hindi rin nagpa-foundation? So, ayun. Let me know in the comment section. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye!